Hi everyone. My name is Frank, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a torn paper effect with few steps in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a 1920 by 1080 pixels document. Import your main subject on the canvas and size it as you want. With the subject layer active, make a rough selection around the character with any selection tool you prefer. I used polygonal lasso tool for this step. Once your selection is closed, create a layer mask by clicking on the icon at the bottom of the panel. Import and place a nice paper texture under the main subject layer. Then with the lasso tool, make a rough selection around the subject. For a better effect, don't follow exactly the first contour and try to mimic real torn paper edges look. With the selection closed and the paper texture layer active, make a layer mask. The effect is coming to life. But for more realism, let's add a drop shadow effect. You can click and drag on the canvas to adjust the shadow position. Hold Alt and click on the paper layer mask thumbnail to display the mask solo. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Distort, and choose the glass filter. Play with settings to add a distressed look to the mask edges. To increase realism of the torn effect, go to Filter, Stylize, Diffuse. Keep the mode set to normal and click OK. Then go to Filter, Other, Minimum, and enter a very low value to soften the mask edges, and click OK. Hold Alt and click on the subject layer mask thumbnail to display the mask solo. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Distort, and choose the glass filter. Play with settings to add a distressed look to the mask edges. Use different settings than those used for the paper layer mask. Click on the main subject thumbnail in Layers panel. Add a subtle drop shadow layer style to give a light sense of depth. You can use my settings or experiment with your own values. Let's tweak the paper drop shadow. Your torn paper effect is done. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Now, let's create a cool background to complete our design. Thanks for watching and see you soon for a new Photoshop tutorial.